Hey YouTube, I'm Jonah, and this video is part 2 of the video I did 2 years ago, bird nest removal, how to prevent nesting again. I'll link my first video at the end of this one. Okay guys, it's been over 2 years since the red robin has nested on my deck, but check this out. That's right, the red robin has come back. I'm not sure if it's the same one or not. And there she is looking at me. And since this year I was in a good mood, I was gonna let her stay rent-free. But almost 2 weeks later, this happened. Very sad.
Bird. No, that's too bad. Oh, that's too bad. Another one over here. Oh, another poor bird. Poor birdie. And another one there. Holy mackerel. That's number 3. That's too bad. And number 4. Oh, it was dropped in the pool. Oh, yeah, that's too bad.
So if there's any bird specialists in the audience, let us know what happened and drop your comments below. Okay guys, so sad. Looks like the baby birds have died. I don't know if the mother bird had dropped it on the backyard there, but I'm gonna check out the nest to see what's happened inside the nest. I can't believe they nested over the spiked nails.
Let's see, what does it look like in there? Oh, there's gone. Look, the bird right in front of these spikes. They've got the thing higher than the spikes, so now I can take out the nest. See, they nested right over the spikes. Oh my goodness, they were able to take out. Okay, I gotta put more spikes there. Right. The other corner, you see the spikes there. And the other corner also got spikes. Okay, I'm just gonna throw this in here. Okay. We got 2 nails over here. I'm gonna put some more for the birds. Somehow getting into there.
So I didn't see the mother robin around anymore. I knew it was safe to take out the nest. Although the robin is very annoying, I would rather have it hatch the egg and then later on let the birds fly away. But I guess sometimes Mother Nature has other plans.
One more. Okay. These birds just don't get the picture. Okay, hopefully they'll do better.